What's up, guys? Today I just wanted to talk to you real quick about this GoPro clip and magnet combo. This thing is so helpful. I've been doing content creation for about the last 2 years now, and I use this all the time. Like you can see, it has a typical GoPro mount right here, and you can just slide on a GoPro mount. It also comes with these rubberized teeth that help so much. You can put it onto a backpack or really any object that is kind of slimmer in profile. It will just clamp onto. It's pretty tough to actually squeeze open, so it clamps down really tight. It also has this magnet on the back, which I find to be really strong. I'll do a lot of time lapses outside of my converted van here and just put it right on the hood of the van, and just get some really interesting footage. Definitely don't do it while driving, but it's strong enough to just hold on there and take some static footage. But overall, I've been using this for about the last 2 years or so, and it is a game changer for content creation or just getting really unique clips that you want to get with your GoPro. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.